So, my experience with the Xbox One Elite Series 2 controller has been a sticky right-sided trigger. Up here, sticky right trigger. Took me a while to figure out how to get the thing off. Not too many tutorials that give a good description, so I'm not going to go through that. I managed to get the casing off. What was causing the controller to stick? Where is it now? On the side of the controller. Just here, you've got a little sticky pad. That sticky pad just there was actually flipped over down around here, causing it to get stuck whenever you would pull the trigger. Took me a while to figure that out after having it pulled apart and trying to figure out, where it was catching. I thought it might have been plastic on plastic, but yeah, it's just that little sticky tab just there. It came loose and flipped itself around onto the underside, and yeah, now it seems to be better. I'll put it back together and I'll show you. So it still has a bit of a stick noise. However, it's much better. That was a lot stickier, and I'm sure once that stickiness from that sticky pad dissipates, that'll become a lot easier again. It's just much more smoother. And there are 6 screws on this, by the way. There is a hidden screw right under here. So you have a screw down here. You have a screw space here. Screw space here. Here's that hidden one. It usually has a bit of white tape on it. Screw space here. You've got a screw space here in order to be able to get the back of the case off. And then it just falls out. It's pretty easy. I mean, it doesn't really fall out, but it opens out. It comes out pretty easy after that. That top angle, you can see now where the screws are placed. Here, 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 and here. You'll need a T6 and a T8 Torx screw to be able to undo the screws within the controller. And I just used little tiny flatheads to be able to pry underneath the edge of the controller here to be able to break it open. As you can see, it's kind of mashed a little bit there, but I don't really care too much about that cosmetic. It's not going to ruin it, and I plan on keeping the controller. But if you want to make sure that's smooth, just use a plastic pry tool.